go to the videotape and see what happens.
Quickly try and trace my boss to find, tell him, but still no luck. So I had to get through personnel. So Joe, if you, that's it. I'm on the big breakfast.
I'm seeing this one.
Sorry, mind you, you've got the rest of the team. You got Peter Jasneski. You got.
Excuse me, I didn't say this was a time for you to say all your hellos. Just all the hellos you forgot last time you were on. No, enough of that. Now come on, we're going to go back. Can I take you back to me? Look at all this press coverage you got.
Yeah.
Fantastic, all your press cuttings. There we are. Big break is a dream for family. Was it a dream?
Yeah, it was. Best week of our lives, wasn't it?
Really? Oh, and also family's new TV role. And now this is the most important one. Dion heads for the big time.
Yeah!
You went National Youth Theatre or Summer. Did you enjoy that?
It was brilliant. It was really good.
You still want to be an actress?
Yeah, desperately. Any agents, if you can do it, so can I.
All right then. All right then. But have you had to sign any autographs?
Well, I keep getting mobbed at school by people wanting to know what everybody's like and everything's like, and wanting to know what the house is like and stuff.
And I hope you tell them all nice things, do you?
Yes.
Don't give away all our secrets.
I never do.
All right, brilliant. If you could just sign that for us so we can keep it. All right, so sign that for us. Autograph it for us later.
Okay.
Time to go upstairs now for the crunch with Zig and Zag.
Oi!
I did flush! Get lost!
Welcome to the Crunch for a brand new week in our birthday week.
birthday week!
And all week on the Crunch this week, got very special guests. Tomorrow we've got Take That going to be in here doing a special birthday show. But today, almost eclipsing Take That, Max Bygraves is going to be in here today.
Hey!
What?
Don't like that. Just like that.
No, that's Tommy Cooper.
Yeah.
Have another go, go on.
Nice to see you. Get lost!
No, that's Bruce Forsyth.
I'm doing my own impressions anyway, I don't care!
Second about. Do your impression of Max Bygraves, the proper one.
Max Bygraves
Yeah, go on,
impersonation.
It's good, this.
Yeah, okay, you ready?
Yep.
I want to tell you a story. It's okay, I have to work on it.
It's all right.
I was going to talk to Max.
Anyway, Max is going to be in here and hopefully he's going to sing a song and we're all going to join
Yes.
It's going to be fantastic.
Fantastic.
But once again, as always, loads of my mail in the Zig and Zag Crunch
Bell!
And,
Zig,
what's
wake up, missus!
I think she's probably awake. You've been saying that for a year.
Gosh.
It's
true, though, it's true.
It's the same woman. He also is the
I
same
know.
woman.
The poor woman's
I know.
tormented.
She's deaf now.
Tormented.
Can't hear you anymore. Anyway, go on. Go on, cheer up.
Bookmark! From Samantha Appleyard from Milton Keynes. And it's not just a bookmark and a very good bookmark.
Right.
It's a very hygienic and conscious bookmark.
Why?
Because it says, it's got a very important message.
On this sink here?
And it says, wash your hands.
That's
and it
right.
says it right there. That's very important.
Wash your hands.
Wash
that's
your
what it says.
hands.
And especially for Wash Your
Yeah.
Hands fans,
Wash your
every
hands.
day this week, the birthday week, Ziggy's going to tell us where we should wash our hands. Wash your hands after when? When should we wash our hands?
A good time for washing your hands is when you've been on a bus. Right, yeah.
Okay.
Great.
Wash your hands, fans. There'll be another one tomorrow.
More of that this week. It's a good time to wash your hands.
Now, it's also exercise book down on Monday.
When you've been on a
Bus.
Yeah, we know.
Okay.
Sig,
Okay.
we understand.
Who's this book off? Come on.
That book was sent in by Tracy Dursley.
Yes.
Dursley.
Dursley, yes.
And it's for brothers Anthony Dursley from
Right.
Colchester.
Okay.
Now, let's have a look.
Okay, comments, that's what we're looking for.
Comments, teachers'
This
comments.
is a maths book, it's all to do with expansions. Take time and care, work on your own. From the teacher there.
Oh, dear.
In the middle, this one says, you must concentrate, and this is underlined in red.
Oh.
You must concentrate more on the science and try to be neater and tidier with your working.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, now.
Oh. Well, what's that
X to the power of 2, that's not right anyway.
No.
Got that wrong.
If you pay attention, you may learn something, boy.
Oh.
So we want more of these, but just one per pupil, and you mustn't want to use them again or for revision because we can't send them back. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
No, send money. No.
Question about the clip is what happens
Good
next, and
weekend, then.
remember, don't phone.
weekend.
It's just for fun.
Why?
Sick.
I got it! What's all the racket? Sounds like a beer commercial in here.
Right, what's going on here, lads? Look, I know it's a long way, but what's going to happen if Mrs. Metcalf doesn't get her milk? The kids don't get their cornflakes, Dad doesn't get his porridge, and Mum doesn't get her cup of tea. So come on, lads, look lively.
Wouldn't breakfast be a disaster if you didn't have fresh milk delivered every morning?
Well, I don't know what you're laughing at. Auntie Ethel's coming to tea. They want 2 extra.
Muller Light from Muller. Less than 100 calories, made to taste like more than 1,000. When you need some extra milk, just leave a note out.
48 extra silver cups? Only kidding. No, only kidding.
I got it! What's all the racket? Sounds like a beer commercial in here.
Oh dear, this dress clashes with my intellect. Could I bother you with my body? I'm afraid I might grow to enjoy this.
So the question about the clip was what happened next, and the answer was her head got knocked off, unfortunately for her. Rather extreme, but there you are. And that was a little clip from Little Dracula, out on video next week, $8.99. Today's question of the day is the £20 note has been replaced by a new one today. Not that you could hardly notice. So what or who do you think should be replaced? Julie Smith, who's 11 from Hull, says, I think the Queen should be replaced by Mark Owen from Take That. I don't know if that tells you something about Mark that we don't already know, but there you are. Nick Davis from Luton. I don't know, I said, I have no idea. My mother-in-law should be replaced preferably by something human without fangs. Keep your calls coming in. They're funny, but so are you. 081985111 or fax 08198522222. What or who do you think should be replaced and why? So it's time for the washing line game today. Where you can what?
Over here.
I'm playing it here today. I'm sitting down.
No, we've got to go outside. It's over there.
No, Greg, you don't understand. It's raining, right? For the last year, I've been going out, getting soaked to the skin, and playing it here. Greg, one more? You're only 21. I'm a lot bigger than you are. What? Come on, sit. Look, let's play it here. It'll be fine. Okay, this will work. No problem. Okay. Okay, no, we're not doing it. I'm sick of going outside in the rain while Gabby Roslin never gets a thing wet. It's 7:30, and it's time to say hello. Who's on line 1? Is that all right? Who's on line 1?
Evelyn from Dundee.
And how are you in Dundee?
I'm fine, thank you.
Say hello to Gregor.
Hello, Gregor.
Hello. Do you want to win this fantastic pink fax phone and thingy machine?
I would love to.
Okay, then all you got to do is identify the washing line. Who does it belong to today? Here's clue number 1. We'll just have a look at it on the little telly over here in a nice dry thing. And it's a tenner. Oh, it's a tenner.
Tenner.
Do you know who it is, Greg? No? Do you know who it is?
No, afraid not.
Okay, well, never mind. Thanks for playing anyway. Hello, who's on line 2?
It's Kevin Lawrence from South Boston.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
No, you nice and dry here, Greg? Top stuff, innit? Is the family all right out there getting wet? That's good. Okay, here's clue number 2. Clue number 2. What is it? It's a bag of 30 stones. 25 stones. They've lost 5, whoever it was. A tenner and a bag of 25 stones, and the answer is?
I haven't the foggiest.
Okay, well, go away then. Hello, who's on line 3?
Rachel Kinsey.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Where are you calling from?
Loughborough.
Clue number 3, here we are. It's pasta. And it's easy now. 25 stones, pasta and a tenner. Who is it?
Pavarotti.
It is Pavarotti! Yes! Pavarotti, who apparently repeatedly is going out with somebody 32 years younger than him, Greg. You've just won that. Isn't that fantastic?
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Okay, we got to go now because I've got to go upstairs and meet Max Bygraves and sing it. Still to come, Dawn French. Thanks, Greg. Okay. Okay, now you go out and set the washing line down. Okay. Go on. Thank you. Go upstairs.
Bygraves in the bathroom.
It's Max Bygraves in the bathroom.
Hi.
Wow. Max Bygraves.
Hello, Chris.
This is Max Bygraves.
I just know that. I happen to know that.
Living legend in the bathroom.
And this doesn't happen very often. The crew don't often come in, but you're our hero, Max, and we're glad to have you here on the beginning of our birthday
Hi,
week.
Tracy.
Zig!
You don't get to see Tracy much, but courtesy of you, Max, the singer today. Yeah. So you thought you were here to wish us happy birthday, didn't you?
Yes.
Didn't you? Well, oh no, Max Bygraves, because Max Bygraves, this is still your life. We got our little
Maybe I'm starting off. Max has been top of the bill for 50 years, brought up in humble surroundings in South London. He joined the RAF at 17 and soon became a squad impressionist. This was the start of his golden career.
Yes, indeed. And over to Zag now, and we'll just turn the page for you there, Zag about.
Thank you, Christopher. Max went on to confirm his fate on the stage of the Palace Theatre in Plymouth, appearing with an unknown called Frankie Howard. The rest, as they say, is history, as well as mastering acts on radio, TV and film. His songs, Pink Toothbrush, Tulips, You Need Hands, are new parts of Britain's heritage.
Absolutely, they are indeed. And finally, for now, this is still your little miniature life. Max has a new album and video out later in the year, Max fans. His Golden Tour is up and running, and there are many surprises in store for next year, so watch along, Max, Yes, this is still your life, Max Bygraves, and we'll carry on now with question number 1.
Max Bygraves, you are a sing-along, a living legend. Do you want to tell us the story?
Well, I brought something along here for Chris, and I don't do this very often, but it's a pair of hands. Chris, that's for your
Wow!
Oh, wow!
So shall I try them out? I want to tell you a story. That's good.
Like that!
I'm going to have to take these off because I can't get me cards with them all for a minute. These are autographed by Max Bygraves and will take pride of place in my home. And Zagabo.
Question
number 2.
Max Bygraves, you are a sing-along, a living legend. You are also a showbiz celebrity. Can you divulge 3 of your celebrity trappings?
Yes.
Yes, I have a car with MB1 on the front.
Oh, I like that. Oh, wow. So nice number plates.
I have my own private suntan collection. And this year I'm celebrating 50 years on the stage, 50 years married to the same girl, and we've just paid the 50th instalment on our washing machine.
Question number 3.
Max Bygraves, you are a sing-along, a living legend. What do you need hands for?
Well, you need hands for... what do you need hands for?
Picking your nose?
What?
What? It's a medical thing.
Could you give me the same question in English, please?
Okay. What do you need hands for?
Well, you need hands for...
Scandal!
You need hands to hold a little baby.
Hold a new baby, yes. You need hands to guide them on their way.
Yeah.
You need hands to thank the Lord for living.
Yes.
And for being here today.
Question number 4, Zagabo, to Max Bygraves in the bathroom today.
Do you know that would make a great song?
A what?
That would make a great...
It is a song.
Well, Max Bygraves, you are a sing-along, a living legend.
Yeah.
Who do you think does the worst impression of you, and can you impersonate it for us now?
The worst impression I ever heard, I walked past a theatre in Plymouth not too long ago. There was a sign outside. It said £500 first prize for the best impersonation of Max Bygraves. Wow. And just for a game, I went in for it.
No!
Yeah, and I came 4th.
It's a true story. Now, Max, you know it's our birthday week. It's actually our birthday tomorrow, but obviously you won't be here tomorrow, but you come to wish us happy birthday. We've been in here for This Is Still Your Life, Max Bygraves. You've given me my hands, and I'll put them back on now because I do love them a lot.
Yeah, but Chris, what about...
What?
What
Yeah,
about...
that was my question. Have you got anything for Zig in there?
Yes, I have. Look, here you are. Look, for
Oh, brilliant, buddy!
For Zig. Where's Zig?
Me.
You're Zig. You're Zig. Are you the lady?
Yeah.
Pink toothbrush.
Pink toothbrush.
And there's a blue toothbrush.
Oh, a pink toothbrush and a blue toothbrush. I think that's a cue for a song.
What a good idea, son. You're a pink toothbrush, I'm a blue toothbrush. Have we met somewhere before? You're a pink toothbrush and a pink toothbrush that we met by the bathroom door. Glad to meet toothbrush, such a sweet toothbrush. How you thrill me through and through. Don't be hard, toothbrush, on the soft toothbrush, 'cause I can't help loving you. Every time I hear you whistle, both use the same toothpaste. Thanks, all.
Wow, how good was that?
It was very good.
Fantastic.
And the question about the clip is, who's behind the blur? And remember, don't phone, it's Max Bygrave.
Oh.